What if I told you rupees 500 itself you can start building your wealth? So most people think that 500 isn't enough to start your investment. But it is not necessary that you need your lakhs that's sitting in your bank account to start your investing. If you have just rupees 500, we can able to build and generate our investment. So here are your step-by-step guidelines where I'm going to teach you how you can start your investment with rupees 500 and stay till the end to watch this guidelines and start implementing in your life. The biggest money myth, the one sentence that destroyed the wealth building journey of many people: I will start investing when I earn more. But they never start their investment. They just hold back because the time never comes and they couldn't able to start. But when you start even rupees 500 consistently for a longer period of time, you can see that your wealth is building and you can grow your money. So when you start your investment at the age of 10 of rupees 500 for up to 20 years, your money grows. When you start your investment at the age of 20 of rupees 10,000, even if you start investing for few years, you can't see that money compounded that much time where you start your investment with rupees 500. The main thing is that time is most important. Then you're starting your investment yearly will help you to benefit more compounding than when you start with a higher amount with your less time. Here where we see that amount where we start, it doesn't that much matter, but how much long we are consistently growing our money, that is most important. So when you start your journey even rupees with 500, but it is consistently you're putting every month over a period of 10 to 20 years, you can see that the power of compounding works. But if you start investing with rupees 10,000, start investing and forget once, where you can see that nothing left. But with rupees 500, the magic thing that has happened is power of compounding. The power of compounding means when you start your investing at least every month, where you can see if you are investing 10,000 every month at 10% return, that is 100, plus with that 100 you get 10%, that goes to 110. So every month your money compounded, and you can see that returns with after returns, in every returns you will get interest of every returns, and you can see that money grows over a longer period of time. So when you start with even 500, you can see that you can get your money where you can enjoy that power of compounding, and really you can build your wealth. It is not a quick rich money management system, it's the consistently and building a habit of growing wealth. Step number 1, create an emergency first. So whenever you are building your investment, when you start your investment, you are going to start building every month consistently and habit. Before starting your investment, first you have to create this fund account, that is emergency fund. Emergency fund is helpful where you can, if anything happens to your family or health or accident, this money will help you to protect from these unforeseen expenses. So have some buffer amount or as an emergency fund. So emergency fund is you should have at least 6 months of expenses. If you are earning 10,000 every month, for 6 months at least you have 60,000 of buffer expenses. So at least first build your emergency fund, then start your investing with whatever you have, at least of rupees 500, where you can start your investment ideally that grows over a period of time, and it will help you to build your wealth. Step number 2, investing your first rupees 500. After your buffer account, you should have to start investing at least 500. This 500 you can put in either systematic investment plan, that is SIP, or index fund, where is a low maintenance, and that is where you can generally invest every month and for a longer period of time, so you can able to see that power of compounding. So whenever you are putting this small amount into a higher risk fund where you can't able to get the highest return, but you will held up with a loss. So always whenever you are starting your investment, have a long-term journey to see that money grows over a time. That will help you to build and secure your future. But start start with rupees 500. That will help you to see that big growth of compounding, and you can secure your well future, and you can able to use that over a period of time. Step number 3, increase your investment every month. If you are starting with rupees 500, it's just a ceiling. If you want to invest more, start with rupees 1000, 2000. When you have your high salary got increases over your income, or with your side hustle where you have a good salary increment and you are having a good amount, start increasing your investment where you can start building that financial future. Instead of spending, start building a proper financial planning of segregating your money into this investment and increase your investment where you can build your secured future. Step 4, grow your income along with your investment. So when you're building your investment, you should also start building your income by earning more. So learn some things that can able to generate your income where there is a higher demand for that product, like digital marketing, AI skills, or any other technology where you can start as a side hustle that generate money every month. Next is do some freelancing jobs or your digital areas where you can start, like writing a book or a content writer where you can generate your income every month. So that will also has your separate income, and that income also with your salary give you higher income, so you can able to generate more income along with your investment to see that higher compounding over a period of time, and your income also increases and your investment also increases. That help you to create a secured future. Step number 5, avoid common beginner mistake. Before you start your investing as a beginner, these are the some of the shortfalls that comes. First is waiting for the right time. It never comes. The market can be uncertain in some ways. Chasing quick rich schemes where we promise it guaranteed, but it can be false sometimes. Investing without diversification. When you put all your money in one stock or in one thing, it can able to cut short of your money. Investing without goals. When you are investing without any goals, you can't able to grow and build your money. So these are the some of the things that we stuck, but we have to overcome when we start our building your journey as a beginner. The power of compounding. When you withdraw your money frequently, you can't able to see that growth of money. It kills the compounding. But when you want to see that magic of compounding, you have to stay invested for a longer period of time. That is, if you are started investing rupees 500 for at least 10 years and waiting for at least 20 years to 30 years, this money gradually build your long-term wealth, because you are doing consistently with the same mode where you can see that money grows and you can enjoy that money that build your future. So instead of chasing right time or perfect time, choose that money that you are going to invest, that you are going to start investing consistently every month, but not waiting for the perfect time. Perfect time never comes, but consistency will build your right habit to build your wealth. If you want to take away just 3 things from this video, you don't need a higher salary to start your wealth. Start with rupees 500 and start increasing as your income grows. Consistency plus patience plus compounding will help you to build a long-term wealth. Don't just wait, just start now and start seeing that growth of journey towards wealth. So here the action step. Whatever amount you genuinely invest today, even rupees 500, don't wait for the bigger salary or better market or the right moment. So most people says the best time was yesterday, but I am telling you the best time is today. Comment below if you are investing with rupees 500, what would you put in? I love to read your answers. If this video give you some clarity, hit subscribe and turn on notification for personal finance and wealth building strategy. Thank you. See you next video.